Hello, with the DPA being due, we wanted to talk through how to then get your score reports from Illuminate. So at the bottom of this page, there's a tutorial about a parent letter that's also found in Illuminate, and that is super helpful for these skills assessments. But within Illuminate, you can also do a score report, an average of the whole class or individual students. So make sure that you're signed into Illuminate first, then come back here, click on one of them. So I'm going to actually just open up this one because I had already done it. When I open it up, because I'm at a district level, I see all of the students within the whole district. You will not, you'll only see your students, but I'm going to just filter through and find one teacher, one class's worth of students. So here's where I can see my class average kind of at a glance. Because there are no other linked assignments within math, they're not there, but on the kindergarten, they are. So again, 570 or 546 students. If I want to just drill down to one group of students, I hit submit, and then this is kindergarten, and you can see the other linked assessments, and these are the same students. So there's the 14 students, and here's the average percent correct for task 1, task 2, and then this is task 3 math facts. Now, if I want more specifics, if I want to know what students scored, I'm going to go to reports and then the skills assessment student list. Again, same thing. Yours won't say Sanger Unified here. Yours will just say your school site, and you probably won't even have to filter through the teachers. You'll only have your students already. But I'm going to do that. It automatically has that one, the one that I chose. But you can also from here switch over to a different task when you're done. So I'm going to have this one, which is the grade 1 math DPA 1 task 1 math facts fluency. I'm going to say show correct. You can also say show incorrect or both. I'm just going to view it in a browser, but you could download to an Excel and you'll get a spreadsheet, or download to a PDF. I'm going to make this larger because it's going to show the students' names over here. So each one of these lines is for a student. You can see the lines, the kind of gray lines there. It shows that they've attempted at one time, the date of their last assessment, and then how many they got correct versus incorrect. And which ones they got correct. So here are the actual math facts that they got correct. Now on the Excel spreadsheet, when you download that, so as opposed to view in browser, if you click download to Excel, it's much more in a spreadsheet form. So it's not as long, but you can download it as a PDF or view in browser. You can also from here scroll and say like, okay, now I want to see sight word fluency. You don't have to come back here. You can just use that little drop down and click view in browser. And it will be reported here. And then same thing. Here's now ELA DPA 1 task 1 sight word fluency, and it will show the same thing, the number correct, number incorrect, and then their correct questions, or for this, the sight words that they got correct. So, and it will have it for every student. You can see that this one is a longer one because there's 5 pages on it. If you did the Excel, it would just have a more kind of global approach to it, where you could just kind of quickly see each column would be for each student. But yeah, that's how you're able to see the scores. And I'm going to put this tutorial right underneath here. The tutorial for the parent letter is similar, where you go to reports and then it's the parent letter. And that's the one where it actually will make a ready-made letter for your parents telling them what the students got correct or incorrect and what they can work on at home. All right, take